Hello everyone, it's Tracy at TierraCast. We have a really special product collection to introduce to you today. A collection that is an exciting new look for TierraCast. It is called Intermix, and it is a series of highly interactive links that you can connect in 100 different ways. We want to tell you all about them, and we'll do a quick project at the end of the video. Let's take a look. The initial inspiration for this line happened when our product design and development manager, Katie Hill, came across a tray of metal texture trials. She began to envision these earthy textures as playful arrangements of connected loops, reminiscent of the organic shapes on the moon's surface. As the pieces developed, great attention was put into deciding how thick the loops should be and how they would all connect together. The result is a series of 5 pieces carefully made to link together for endless design possibilities. The one ring component is just that, a small single ring, perfect for making delicate connections. The 3-ring bar is also a smaller piece and is perfect for linking together as chain or linking to other pieces. The 4 rings link is an arrangement of 4 smaller rings and is sort of reminiscent of a flower. The 3 rings link is a bolder piece, with larger rings and one tiny ring here to give it some asymmetry. And finally, there is the 5 rings piece that is really the star of the show. There are shapes that are repeated in several of the pieces, so the whole collection is very cohesive. These parts come in 4 finishes: antiqued silver and antiqued gold, and bright rhodium and bright gold. We deliberated over the idea of having 2 silver choices and 2 gold choices, but we loved the idea of a toned, more rustic feel with the antiqued finishes and the modern, more contemporary feel of the bright finishes, and decided we had to offer them all. As we worked with these pieces, we realized that a larger oval jump ring would be an ideal addition. So we developed a 17-gauge jump ring with an internal dimension of about 4 by 6 millimeters that works really nicely with the larger pieces. Our medium oval jump rings, which are about 3 by 4 millimeters ID, also work well, as do any of our larger round jump rings. We also discovered that many of the hammered and distressed items in our product line were very compatible with the look of these pieces. The project I'm going to demonstrate is this fabulous pair of earrings. Each earring is constructed of one 4 rings link, one 3 rings link, and one 5 rings link. The other components we need are 4 of the new large oval jump rings, one small oval jump ring, and one French hoop ear wire. The only tools we need are a couple of pair of pliers. These are so striking but so easy to put together. To start, we're just going to connect the 2 bottom components with these new larger oval jump rings. And then use 2 more to connect the top component. And it's that easy to do the focal part of the earring. Now I could connect the ear wire directly to the top of the earring, but I'd like to add a small jump ring there because it will give the earring more movement. So to ensure that the earring will still hang straight, I'm going to turn the loop on the ear wire. Then I'll use this small jump ring to connect it to the earring. Not everyone is aware that you can do that with an ear wire, but turning the loop is a technique that opens up more design options for earrings. We are really excited about the Intermix line, and we are thrilled to share them with you. The pieces are fresh and innovative and versatile. We added a length of chain and a hook and eye clasp to the parts that we used in these earrings, and we used different combinations to come up with all of these variations. They are so fun to design with. As Katie says, let the magic happen when you begin to intermix these links. The options are as endless as the 2 trillion galaxies that make up the universe. You can look for them at your favorite bead and jewelry supply sources, and as always, check out our social media channels for more inspiration and news. Thank you for watching.